Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So today we're going to look at program 7, and in this program we have to use PHP, and they are asking us to do two things. So first one is you have to read a number and you have to print the sum of digits. Okay, that is, if you have given the number 1, 2, 3, you have to display the sum of digits, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. So this should be the result. Okay, the second program is for the same number, they are asking us to find whether the number is palindrome or not. So for example, 151 is a palindrome. Okay, so I think all of you know what is a palindrome. So a number palindrome is whether you read from left to right or right to left. If the number is same, that is called as palindrome. Okay, so there are lots of examples: 111, 121, okay, 1661. You can write so many numbers like this, right? Okay, so let's see the program. So here I have the HTML code for displaying a web page and to accept a number. So let me show you the output of this. Right, so here is the dashboard for Easy PHP Dev Server. So in the last video I have already told you how to add a folder as a working directory. So if you have not watched it, please go to the previous video. It will be in the playlist. Okay, so right click and click open link in new tab. So this is the output of this code, HTML code, right? So I am writing, that is, I am displaying a heading, sum of digits, and after that I am using form tags for displaying a form, and here it is asking me to enter a number. Let me give 1, 2, 3, and you click submit. Now it is displaying an error. What? It is saying not found. The requested URL, which is this one, this file, process.php, it is saying it is not found on the server. So it is not able to locate this file. Why it is showing this is because I didn't write process.php file. So actually the files are stored in this folder, my PHP. Okay. So let me open this, and there is only index HTML file. There is no process.php file. Okay, so now I will write process.php file. So new tab. If you have watched the previous video, you should know that PHP code begins with this tag, opening PHP tag, and it ends with closing tag. So this is the opening PHP tag and this is closing PHP tag, right? Okay, now I will save the file. So I am saving the file in my PHP folder. So the name I am giving is process.php and save. Okay, the file is saved as process.php. So the name is very important. Why? Because here in the form tag I am using the action attribute whose value is set to process.php, right? Okay, so here if I am giving abc.php, you have to save the file PHP file as abc.php. Okay, remember this. So let me change it back, process.php. And one more important thing is for the text field, that is this one, you should remember that we should give a name attribute. Okay, you have to give name attribute and give some value here, txt number or something like this. So what is the importance of this name attribute is, I will tell you in a few minutes, right? So first, what should I do in the PHP file? I should get the number which the user is entering in the HTML page, right? So I have entered 123. I should get that value into this PHP file. So how to get it? So you can write $n. So this is how you create variables in PHP. You will write the dollar symbol and the variable name. So here the variable name is n, and I am assigning the value $_get. Here I am writing txt number. So what is this I am writing here? This is the same thing which we have given here, txt number. So this is the importance. So this value is going to be, this value is used to refer whatever value that is entered into the text field into PHP like this. And what is this _get is? It is an associative array. Okay. _get is an associative array. Okay. So from the array, I am getting the value which is held by this key value, txt number. So I entered 1, 2, 3, right? So that 1, 2, 3 will be stored in n. Okay. Now let me declare one more variable t and assign the value of n to t. So I will tell you what is the use of this time in a few seconds. Okay. So let's continue. And first thing they are asking us to print is sum of individual digits. So for that purpose, I am declaring some variable and initializing it with 0. And they are also asking us to find whether the number is palindrome or not. So how do you find whether a number is palindrome? First you will reverse the number, right? And then if the original number and reverse of the number is same, it is a palindrome. So for finding the reverse of a number, I am creating one more variable, rev, like reverse. Okay, and initializing it to 0. Now we will write a loop. So we will repeat the loop until as long as n is greater than 0. So I think all of you know how to find, extract each digit and also how to reverse the number. So let's see the code. So for sum of individual digits, we will extract each number. How to extract each number? We will just mod the number with 10. Okay. So by the end of this loop, the sum of the individual digits will be available in this variable sum. Okay. In this variable. And similarly, let's also calculate the reverse of the number by using this $rev into 10 plus the same thing which I have written here. Okay. So this is standard logic for calculating sum of digits and also finding the reverse of the number. And then we should not forget to modify the value of n. So I am using the floor function for integer division. Okay. Here I will use division operator. That's all. This is the loop. So by the end of this loop, sum of the digits will be available in this and reverse of the number will be available in rev. Now let's first print the sum of digits. So sum of digits equal to $sum. Okay. So after printing the value, I want 2 new lines. So I am writing br tags, break line, and then quotations, double quotes and semicolon. Okay. So if you have watched the previous video, there I have told you echo, this one. Okay. If you want, you can use echo or you can use another thing called print. Both are same. Both are for output only. Okay. And next we have to check whether the number is palindrome or not. So we already reversed the number and the value is available in rev variable. So now we have to compare rev with the original number. But if you see, the original number is already becoming 0 here by the end of this loop. So how will we have the original number? That's why we have stored the copy of original number in the variable t. So now let's compare the original value which is in t with the reverse of that number, and if this is true, we will print that the number is a palindrome. Otherwise, print is not a palindrome. That's all. This is the code in the PHP file. I hope all of you understood. So let's see the output of this. So right click, open a new tab, 123, submit. So now if you see, sum of digits is 6. This is right. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and 123 is not a palindrome. Yes. Okay. Now let's change this number to 121. Click submit. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, and 121 is a palindrome. So that's it, guys. That's it about this program, where where the user gives a number and you will find out whether it is palindrome or not, and also you will print the sum of digits. Okay. So please like the video and also subscribe to my channel for notifications on latest videos. And if you have any doubts, you can comment below the video. Thank you.